Let's start with IELTS speaking part 1. We are going to ask you some questions and you have to answer.
How often do you take a rest?
It depends on my mood. If I am free of my boring routine, I would like to take rest after a hectic day of my busy routine. So whenever I get bored, I usually take rest.
Okay, this is good. Just try to speak happily, a bit excitedly and pleasantly. Let's go on.
What do you usually do when you're resting?
I usually do while resting is texting someone whom I can connect mentally, or otherwise I watch movies or seasons on my laptop, or other than that I would like to watch dramas on
Okay,
YouTube.
so instead of using other than that 2-3 times, you can say additionally, furthermore, moreover. This is how it can be better, right? One last question.
Do you take a nap when you're resting?
Yeah, in my boring routine of daily of a day, I usually take a nap in afternoon. So it gives me a sense of peace, or mental state of mind, active state of mind, because whenever I get a nap, I feel I am very unstressful. So usually
Okay, that's good. It's much better than before, but still you need practice and add some more to it, right? Thank you very much.